So hey everyone, I am Riyansh and we are going to do debate on the statement what is better to start our career, job or business. So let's start. I think so for starting our career the business is most important, because if in business we can earn 1 lakh also and 10 lakh also, but in job there is a fixed price for a human, that's 60 to 70,000 only. But let me tell you one thing, to start business what we need? Investment. From which you will do investment? From money only na. From where you will get money? From where? You don't know na. So for starting your career first we need money through which we can invest in our business. So first we have to do job through which we will be independence from our money and we can invest in our business. So let me tell you, for starting there are our mother and our father and our parents are there, so they can give us money for to 20 to 30,000, so we can invest that and make that upper. There is no limit for earning money in business. But for how much time you will be dependent on your parents? Only one time we will take. After that our business. But how will you know if what if your business gets flop? There is, if we will do hard work, so our business can never go down. But there are many people who didn't do hard work on their business. What will happen of them? Let me tell you, in jobs we can get to know about that how much we are, how many things we can carry. We'll get to know about our internal skills, about the skills we are having. After knowing this, we can start business. But in starting of career, we should join a job, because from there we'll know that how customers will come, how to deal with customers. Let me tell you something important, that the lazy person only can do the job. No, the great-minded person always choose the business to start their career. I know that the great-minded person always choose business. But after doing job, because if you will be not doing job, how you will be getting money? How you will be spending on your business? And let me tell you, after if you will do job, so you will be getting knowledge about the world, that how many people are there, how to deal with them, how to tell that which item is better. In the business we do this also. Sorry to interrupt you, but let me tell you something, that in the business only we talk to someone because we are the boss of our business, but in the jobs we are like a labor of our boss, and in the business we take our name and our company name, but in job we take only our name.